Hello guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we'll be doing a short review on this Sonata Super Fibre digital watch. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. Here is our Sonata Super Fibre digital watch. The band is made up of fiber, and at the back we can see that it is stainless steel back and 30-meter water resistant. So that's a good thing. Yes, I've tested it with water and it is fine. And if you guys want a water test of this watch, then please tell me in the comment section below. I'll definitely try out. Okay, so let's proceed. This is the main dial of the watch. As you can see, it's showing the time, and at the upper part is showing the day. Today is Sunday, and you can also set some alarm. Now, if you are in a dark place, then you can simply click on this light button to make it glow. At the right hand side, when you click, you will get the date. So today is 15th July, so it will show like this, 15th July. Now here we get a mode button. When we single click on it, we'll get the stopwatch. To start the stopwatch, we need to click on date. Again, to pause it, we need to click on date. And to reset it, we need to click on alarm. When we double click this mode button, we get to set the alarm. So you will have to simply set the time. And again, when we triple click it, we get to set the time. You will set the alarm, but you will see that it's not enabled. Like this, you have set the alarm on home, but here you cannot see any alarm logo. Yes, so you will have to set the alarm, but you will have to enable it by pressing the date button and the alarm button simultaneously. Like this. As you can see, now the alarm logo showed up. And again, to disable the alarm, you will have to click this too. So the alarm will become disabled. So this is the short review for this Sonata watch. Up to this today. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.